Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website more responsive. This is crucial because you want your site to look great and function smoothly across all devices, whether visitors are viewing it on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Take a look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will open a drop-down selection with various options related to your website management. This section is your control center for managing how your site appears across different platforms. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the website you wish to make more responsive. It's important to verify you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. This preview gives you a quick overview of your site's current state before making any adjustments. On this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the editing interface where you'll be able to make all the necessary changes to improve your site's responsiveness. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. You will now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. This editor provides a more general approach to making your website more responsive across different screen types. The interface might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. Now, click on any element on your page. It could be text, an image, a button, or any other component you've added to your site. Once you've selected an element, look over to the right side panel. You'll see a section labeled Responsive Behavior. This is where you can change and adjust how each individual element behaves when viewed on different screen sizes. By making collective adjustments on each element you have in your Wix website, you're ensuring that every part of your site adapts properly, whether someone is browsing on a large desktop monitor or a small mobile phone screen. Take your time with each element, adjusting the responsive behavior settings to suit your design vision and functional needs. And there you have it. By following these steps and carefully adjusting the responsive behavior of each element, you've significantly improved how your Wix website displays across various devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.